today's class. Have you all had your breakfast? Yes? What did you eat today? Oh, idli? Dosa? Okay, good. Are you all ready to learn? Yes? Okay. In our last class, what did we learn? Yes, very good. Traffic lights. Traffic lights. Traffic lights. Now I am going to ask you some questions. You are going to answer. Okay? Okay, tell me. What are the colors we learned in traffic light? Yes, very good. Red. Say the spelling for red. S R E D, red. Then is very good. Yellow. Say the spelling for yellow. S Y E L L O. S, very good. W. Then is very good. Green. G R E E N, green. Okay. What the red color stands for? Is very good. Stop, right? S, stop. Then what the yellow color stands for? Is very good. Slow down, right? S, slow down. S-L-O-W-D-O-W-N, slow down. Then what the green color stands for? Louder. Is very good. Go, right? Yes, go. This traffic light helps to prevent? Is very good. Accidents, right? Yes, it helps to prevent accidents. Okay, my dear children, you answered well. Okay, look at this picture. Have you ever seen this? Yes? Where you have seen it? Where you have seen it? Louder, I can't hear. Yes, very good. On the road, right? Yes, on the road. Do you know the name? Yes? Yes, very good. Zebra crossing, right? Zebra crossing. Zebra crossing. S-S-I-N-G, zebra crossing. Yes, my dear children, today we are going to learn about zebra crossing. Are you ready? Okay, read the spelling for zebra crossing. Is it E-B-R-A, zebra crossing. C-R-O-S-S-I-N-G, zebra crossing. Okay, my dear children, have you ever seen a zebra crossing while walking on the road? Yes? Okay. Have you used zebra crossing while walking on the road? Louder. Yes. Okay, good. Can you say why it is called zebra crossing? Yes, very good. It looks like the animal zebra, right? Yes. Have you ever seen zebra? Yes. Where? Oh, very good. In the zoo, right? Okay. It is a set of white lines made on the road. Okay, it is a set of white lines made on the road. Okay, the zebra crossing is one of the important safety measure. The zebra crossing is one of the important safety measure to cross the road. It helps to prevent accidents. Okay, it helps to prevent accidents like traffic light. These two, traffic light and zebra crossing, helps to prevent accidents. Did you understand? Okay. Zebra crossing is a road. It helps us to cross on road easily. Okay, it helps to cross the road easily. Some people, they do not obey the traffic rules, traffic lights and traffic signals. They cross the road carelessly. Okay, they cross the road carelessly. Because of that carelessness, they met an accident and get hurt. Okay, because of that carelessness only they get hurt. What is zebra crossing? Yes, let me tell you. Zebra crossing is a protected crosswalk established by zigzag lines. Okay, zebra crossing is a protected crosswalk established by zigzag lines, and this zebra crossing is painted black and white. Okay, it is painted black and white, and this zebra crossing is also known as pedestrian crossing. Okay, the zebra crossing is also known as pedestrian crossing. Who is a pedestrian? No idea? Okay, let me tell you. A pedestrian is a person or people walking on the road. Okay, if we walk on the road, we are called as pedestrian. Okay, the people walking on the road are called pedestrian. Okay, for example, if I walk on the road, I am a pedestrian. Okay, now I am going to teach you the importance of zebra crossing. This zebra crossing keeps pedestrians safe. Okay, it keeps pedestrians safe. It warns the driver that the person are waiting to cross the road, and also it tells the driver give way for people to cross the road. Okay, it warns the driver and also it tells the driver to give way. Then we are going to learn rules of zebra crossing. What? Yes, very good. Rules of zebra crossing. What are the rules of zebra crossing? First one, driver. The driver must look out for pedestrians waiting to cross the road. Okay, he must look out for pedestrians waiting to cross the road and must be ready to slow down. If the persons are waiting to cross the road, the driver must slow down the vehicle. Okay, he must slow down the vehicle while the pedestrians cross the road. Okay. Then the driver must give way when a person has moved into crossing. Okay, if the pedestrian moved into crossing, the driver must stop his vehicle and give way for the person to cross the road. Did you understand? Okay. Some people walk slowly and some people walk fast, right? Yes. Did everyone walk fast? No, right? Yes. Some people walk fast, some people walk slow, some people walk very, very, very slow, right? Yes. So the driver must wait. Okay? The driver must wait. If the person walks slow or if the person walks fast, it doesn't matter. He must wait until the person cross the road. Okay? Then the pedestrian, before crossing the road, must follow these rules. Do not cross the road immediately. First, turn your head to the right and look for vehicles moving towards the zebra crossing. Then, turn your head to the left and look for vehicles moving towards the zebra crossing. Then, turn your head to the right again and look for vehicles moving towards the zebra crossing. If there is no vehicle, you can cross the road safely. So, my dear children, zebra crossing is needed for the person cross the road. Okay? It is needed to cross the road. Then only we can safely cross the road. Otherwise, we may meet accidents and get hurt. Did you understand? Okay. Now this is the time for a question. Okay, tell me where you can see the zebra crossing? Where you can see the zebra crossing? Louder. Yes, very good. On the road, right? Yes. Second question. What is the color of zebra crossing? Yes, very good. Black and white. Can you say the spelling for black? Yes, B L A C K. Black. Then white. S W H I T E. Yes, very good. Next question. Who is the pedestrian? Yes, you are right. Louder. Yes, very good. A pedestrian is a person walking on the road. Yes, very good. You answered well. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.